Hi folks, I'm Bill Langer. You're watching Traditional Adventures TV. I want to thank you as always for joining us. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And thanks for all the emails. I didn't realize people were so interested in knowing more about our lives other than the hunting. We're going to do our best to share that with you. It's going to be hard though, because if I'm not hunting, I'm working, and that's about all I do. But we'll try to share most of it with you. I'm out shed hunting today. And believe it or not, I found a shed. This little guy made it through the 2019 deer season, which is a good thing. And if he survives the bear and coyotes, well, we may get a shot at him next year. I mean, some pretty thick stuff here, a bedding area. I've hunted here for years, and it's a good spot to find sheds. In our last video, I shared a little adventure with Kate and I on Valentine's Day. But I had so much footage I wasn't able to share it all. Our friends Donovan and Marie Valley joined us, and they had a good time, helped us work around the ranch, did a little bit of hunting, and we're going to share that with you now, and hope you enjoy. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.
Okay, here we are at the 101 Ranch. Bill and Kate Langer's ranch here in Florida, and we're doing a little hog hunting, my wife Marie and I, and we're really looking forward to seeing some pigs tonight. And this is Marie's first time on stand for hogs, and we're enjoying this warm weather.
Oh, it's beautiful.
From being up north.
Saturday, February 15th, 2020. It's just a beautiful day. Very excited.
So we're really looking forward to seeing some pigs tonight. Should have some good action. We'll keep you posted. Well, the feeder just went off, and she about had a heart attack. Another person succumbs to the feeder. But you can't shoot. Something. This is not our target species.
this one will probably take 2.
Okay.
It should.
That was a nice close call. We would have definitely had a shot at that. Right, Ray? We would have definitely had a shot. 10 yards away, really. Got up here in this high brown grass and the sow and piglet just walked right by us. That's a boar right there too.
What did I do? I missed.
No, I think you hit it back. Was that a boar?
Okay, so we're here at the 101 Ranch, Bill and Kate Langer's place here in Florida. I'm here with my wife Marie, and this is her first hog. What do you think?
It was pretty exciting.
It was great.
Yeah, it's been a great couple of days. Really, really hot, but it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, there's no question. We hunted last night. There was 12 to 15 hogs that came in, and our biggest problem was that we didn't want to shoot a hog. We didn't want to shoot 2 hogs by accident, so we kind of passed last night. We did some spot and stalking this morning, and we had a action-packed morning. So we're just real happy to be here. We might go out and shoot another hog or two. Looking forward to it.
I think I got it on film. I mean, I had the whole view. I had the whole thing on there.
Great, so grab this phone right there. Just leave the bags open on the table. Hot air gets out of it. When they're hanging them poles, doing this on the ground, I've done this in the field by myself at night. Alright, come here, grab this. Go away from it. Like, lift it straight up. Thank you very much. That's gorgeous, gorgeous meat right there.
You leave that open for how long?
A little bit here, just let the air out. Well, we're rocking and rolling here. Marie got her first pig and got it all cut up. Gonna go dump the carcass in the boneyard and probably go grab dinner with the ladies.
Good job.
And Donnie.